What's on the Conti's menu? Bake shop and restaurant with shirataki rice available. Located at Uptown Mall, Taguig.
Regular $7.95. So, syempre, yung pistachio, ang all-time favorite ko, at ni Jay is $1,395. Yan yung pistachio. Ano pa? Sunny Ball, $995. Mango Bravo, $1,695. Yung mga prices, alam na yan ng mga aming tao kasi lagi kayong bumibili. Yung mga bumibili lang. Yung mga prices na ito. Mango Tart, $895. Crinkle Cheesecake, $875. Banana Dream, $1,125. Okay. Choco Overload. Di ko pa ito na-try. Yung Choco Overload. $345 pala siya. Tapos, $1,295. Yung Moist Chocolate is $545. Ayan yung Uber Custard. Meron din silang pineapple macaron. Oh, this is the tiramisu. Slice is $175. As ito, it turns just for that. Di ko pa na-try yung tiramisu ng Conti's kung masarap. Kasi ayoko ng mga tiramisu na natry namin ni Jay. Cookie Sino. Ayan pa yung ibang prices. We always eat in Conti's before when we're living in Pasig. Because this is close, not close by, but we always in Ayala, 30th. I have a video on my YouTube. But anyway, let's do a review. So, ang in-order namin, walang available na daing na bangus. So, yun yung lagi in-order namin. Tapos, ito yung mga prices niya pala sa all-day breakfast. So, available yan any time of the day. Natikman ko na dito is yung homemade beef tapas strips. Super sarap talaga. As in. Ang daing na bangus masarap din. Na-try na rin namin. Yun lang yung most in-order namin dito. Meron din pala silang double chocolate champorado. Ayan. Tapos, meron din silang breakfast medley. Yun yung mga coffee nila. Tapos breads, of course. You know naman sa Conti's tayo. Yun yung mga prices. Next na tayo. At meron din silang mga salad. Ayan. Yung mga price, papakita ko lang very slight. Yun yung food. In fairness naman, masarap yung food nila dito. So far, yung last na kakain namin. At meron din silang Conti's baked salmon. You should just get this one. So, ang in-order namin today is yung chicken barbecue. Kasi late na din. Tapos, kung gusto mo, palitan yung rice mo, mag-add ka lang ng 55. Tapos, ito pa yung mga rice bowls nila na 335. Hindi pa namin na-try kasi pork. At ito, hindi namin tinay yung mga lasagna nila kasi. Did we try lasagna before? We never tried their lasagna. And you have the glaze. And also, yan yung iba pang mga prices. Hey, ay, my new haircut. Wow, show off. Wow, pinapakita talaga. Jay is really showing his new haircut. So, he's doing a side view right now. Hati kami. So, kinat na ni Jay. Ang pangat na sa video, wala na. Yung chicken barbecue, red shirataki rice. O yun, sharing tayo ni Jay dyan. Para maka-diet ng konti. Yan. At syempre, ang paborito ni Jay, at paborito natin dalawa.